You guys, I am going to make a good lunch. I had it yesterday and it was really good, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make, okay? First, we need a fruit because fruit is good. I was thinking strawberries because strawberries are good. What's your favorite fruit? Strawberries, yum. All right, so let's put you guys here. So we need a strainer because we gotta wash strawberries, obviously. So let me find one. Found one. So let's get started, shall we? I am gonna have 2 English muffins with butter and cinnamon, and it's good. They're by Thomas. So I'm gonna have some strawberries with my lunch because I gotta eat healthy, right? Right. I'm trying to get the good ones here. Look how tiny that is. All right. I think that should do with the berry family. They're so good though. Wait, I want to add one more. Now we wash them. Obviously we have to. They're under the candle thing that my mom had. I got a lot of strawberries. I love strawberries. All right. Now I gotta get a bowl. Help cutting strawberries, I would suggest getting an adult or your brother or sister or mom or dad. But I'm old enough to do this, so I have this knife. So, yeah. You gotta be careful though. Let's scoot you guys way back so you guys can see. That's much better. Perfect. I love strawberries. I tried to get out the berries because strawberries are just one of my favorites. I don't even know what time it is. Okay, it's almost noon, so I'm prepping my lunch. I don't normally like eat until 12, but if I eat early, that's okay too. I don't eat like the top or the leafy green. I prefer eating it just the way it is, like cut up. It's more good that way, in my opinion. Trying to get more strawberries. I'm trying to get like a lot of strawberries here because any berries are good for you, I was told. Okay. Oh, that was a perfect cut. Just cutting up strawberries. All right, halfway done. All right, so that's done. Let's take care of this. I'm gonna reuse this knife because I need it for my English muffin to cut. I gotta be careful. All right. So I'll show you guys my strawberries. Yum. This is the English muffins that I was talking about. So, I gotta get a butter knife. Alright, for me, I'm gonna have 2 because that's good for me. And this is sourdough. It's almost lunchtime anyway, so this is pretty good timing too. Okay, so let's just put this knife here. This is what I do, okay? You gotta be really careful, like I said. Okay. Now, if it doesn't like open perfectly, that's okay. Now let's do the other. Oh, that's a scratch from the cat. That scared me. I thought I cut myself. Alright, so. Perfect. So, I use butter. You guys can use sugar and cinnamon and butter, but I just use cinnamon. I can't pronounce it now. Cinnamon. There we go. Gotta talk for a minute. But, so I would just get some butter and then put this in the microwave for like, maybe like, if you want it to be like kind of warm, 45 seconds I did to melt the butter. But I'm gonna get another scoop of butter. This is a lot of butter. This is probably too much because, but that's okay. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, see you guys in a hot minute, okay? Put this back, but this butter is okay, but I don't put butter on much anything because I'm not the type of person that likes butter on stuff, but in this case scenario, it's fine. But you can't forget your yogurt bites and a cold Pepsi. 0 sugar and 0 calories. Good top, actually. 45 seconds melts the butter. So let's just spread it around. This is a lot of butter. It's not healthy. Next, I'm gonna just use probably a little bit of butter, but not like a whole lot. But this is like my, what do you call it? Lunch, and it's 12:01. Perfect. Just get that. Now put this back. I do, okay? It's hot. Squish it up together. And then let's go and by the table and eat. And here we are. And this is my lunch. So, English muffins with butter and cinnamon, yum. Pepsi to wash it down, strawberries, and yogurt bites. So that's all I'm eating for today's lunch, and I'll see you guys in my next video.